Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about crypto airdrop. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button to join our crypto fam and stay updated on all crypto matters. As you know, guys, the crypto airdrop field is full of new potentials. In this particular video we will be talking about the new Solana Airdrop. Solana Airdrop has conducted a new airdrop to all its users. Now I will demonstrate everything using my example. Immediately, as usual, you will find all the resources to the airdrop event in both the links in the description and the comments section. I have $120 or 0.5 Solana coin in my Solflare crypto wallet. Let's go to the official Solana multiplier website. We indicate the amount of Solana coins, then click on the multiply button and connect our wallet. After connecting the wallet, we received a reward. In just a few steps, we were able to earn 1 Solana coin or $240. Guys, don't miss this opportunity to get money. Goodbye.